What up, y'all? Jay Fizzle back at you with another video, and coming at you from Genesee Park area in the mountains. Walking a little trail, Genesee Park Trail. Getting a little winded. Kind of almost sunset time. Trying to avoid the mountain lions and getting my steps in. Trying to lift my vibration. I tried to come up here yesterday, but kind of got caught in the rain. Something was just telling me in my heart that I need to get out, get to the mountains, and reset. Get up here within the calm of nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. I'm always stuck in that damn city. So I just wanted to hop on here for a minute, show y'all the views, let you get a little sense of Mother Nature, maybe encourage you to get out and enjoy Mother Nature, get up in the mountains on this Labor Day weekend. I hope y'all are having blessed days and blessed weekends, and all your family is healthy and happy. And life isn't easy, y'all. It's not easy at all. God didn't design it that way. He designed it to be tough and hard, so you can find some joy in the suffering, because suffering ultimately makes you stronger, wiser, and a more beautiful creature in this world. You could let it beat you down and turn you ugly, bitter, unhappy, or you could let it build you, shape you, and form you into the person that you were meant to be and what God meant you to be. So I just want to keep continuing to encourage y'all. And I don't know if y'all could see that flag up there, but that's where I'm headed, to the summit. Overlooking all this beautiful Mother Nature. Don't worry, I got my little shankery on me in case I have to deal with some Mother Nature, some wild beast. But man, it feels good to be up here and out in Mother Nature. Just getting some steps in. A little 15-minute hike up here. It's probably gonna do me some good. And man, I needed this. And I hope y'all could get out there and get some Mother Nature in your life, and enjoy your family this weekend, the ones that are closest to you. And this last few weeks, month, has been very tough, very challenging, and I'm hoping to reap the rewards from my struggle very soon here. If not, I will find joy in pushing through the struggle and everything I thought was hard. And that's what I'm doing right now. Once I reach the summit, I'm going to find some joy, some peace up there at the top, and I could get a little rest in, and then quickly head out of here for the sunsets, because I got a little trip of a motorcycle ride back down, and it gets a little cold up here in the mountains. And I rode up here on the FC, so that's always fun. Gotta get out there, push your limits, and getting a little parched. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. Got my little water, got a little Monster with me. Running a little low though. Might have to stop at the gas station down at the bottom of the hill and grab me some more water. But I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys this. It's a beautiful view. It's gorgeous. There's mountains as far as I could see, bro. Just endless mountains. And we're almost up here to the top now. But I'll get back to y'all when I make it to the top. And hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your Labor Day weekend. If I don't see y'all, God bless. And keep being a good person. Go show some love today. Go be kind to somebody. You could change someone's life. J5 out. I reached the summit, y'all. Would you look at that? Yeah, that's beautiful. We are up here. Ooh, we are high in the air. Gonna crack me a little monster. Go chill up on these rocks for about 15 minutes. And call it. And that was a nice little hike.